welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, we are diving into super fun and unique toy inspired by the classic Flintstone cartoon, the Hot Wheel monster truck Flintstones Flint. Before we drill into detail, let's unbox it. This monster truck version of the iconic Stone Age car features the oversized wheels and the maroon colored body and can be seen the engraved Flintstone, and it has a ladder. Which is perfect for the play and the crash stunts. And the tarp might look delicate, but it really depends on how rough you play with it. So far, it seems sturdy and reliable. But that's not all. At the end of the video, can be seen the Jada version of the Flint Mobile. You won't want to miss it, so make sure to stick around and check out the link card. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think this Flint Mobile is as cool as I do? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling and happy collecting.